Isa ka pa din ng paborito mong anak. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Hi, Mami Sheila. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your birthday and then God bless po. Ingat po kayo lagi.
Happy birthday, Mami Sheila. Thank you so much for everything. And Avisela de la Paz, at sinasama ka na napapating kita set. And you are never not dos menos iswana. And you are so very grateful and so happy that we meet you in Sumakad and Chursa Malala and Yugosam. And you will just be skas nila gusto ko do. Am sinukore pista uraka karat kita potang inabaso karat sa kantutan sukas dos gus kurkuna chupari mo chipan gusto ka super katite. Thank you. Hello.
Happy birthday, Mami Shi.
Happy birthday, me. Stay what you are. Stay kind and pretty. Ano pa ba? Mabuhay ka hanggat kailan mo gusto. Yun, no? So, I'm passing this phone to the next who will greet you. Dale. Ayan, pakilala ka.
Hello, Mami Shi. This is Jason from IT department and I wish you a happy birthday, no? So, I'm passing the phone sa susunod. Nakalahok.
Hi, Madam Shi. I'm Tristan Dave. And happy birthday po ulit and enjoy your day lang po. And good luck po. I'm passing this phone.
Hello, Madam Shi. I'm James Andrade. Happy birthday po. And wishing you all the best. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi. I hope you enjoy your day and sana makita po kita. And from IT department po, happy birthday to you. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Mami.
Happy birthday, Mami Shi. Sana beyond the years na darating pa ay maging as fresh ka ni Prem katulad ng mga halaman dito sa Vista.
Tulad ng mga bulaklak sa Vista. Ganon ka fresh.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mami Shi.
Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Mami Sheila. I wish you all the best, good health, and let's keep playing badminton. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Mami Sheila! Ito na si Kai Kai! I hope you have a good day. Have a blast po. Ito na inaanak mo. Malapit ang Pasko. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mami Sheila. Wish you all the best. See you soon! Hello, Mami Sheila. Happy birthday! Miss you!
Happy na birthday pa sa'yo, Mami Sheila.
Ma'am Sheila, ako po yung nawawala mong anak.
Happy birthday, Mami Sheila. Ex ka po ng tatay ko. Baka ikaw ang tunay kong ama. Ama?
Ay, babae yun. Ay, baka nanay mo rin si Mami Sheila.
Happy birthday, Mami Sheila! Enjoy your day!
Yes, enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mami Sheila. Remind ko lang po yung utang sa sardinas.
Happy birthday, Mami Shi. We are grateful to have you.
Mami Sheila, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best and more blessings to come. Love you.
Ma'am Sheila, happy birthday. Sana maging memorable tong birthday mo this year. And mahaba pa yung celebration natin.
Shout out Sheila Osip. Happy birthday, Sheila Osip. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Sheila Osit. Pagbati mula kay Bosset. Shesh! Napakaangas! Eh!
Hi, Mi. Ano ba nga ba? So, happy birthday. Sana masabahang pa yung pasensya mo sa aming mga pasaway yung mga anak-anakan. Wish you all the best. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mama Sheila! Laro tayo ng badminton minsan. God bless!
Happy birthday, Mama Sheila. Laro tayong badminton minsan. God bless.
Mama Mishi, happy birthday. Thank you for being such a good friend. Hindi lang kay Jello, kundi pati sa akin na din. Wish you all the best in life and ayun, I hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday ulit, Mami.
Happy birthday, Mami.
Hi Sheila, happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful year ahead.
Hi, Mami Shi. Happy birthday. Medyo mahaba tong message ko ng konti kasi ako yung paborito mo anak, di ba? Di ba? Pero seryoso, we wish you, of course, good health. That's number 1. Tapos, genuine happiness. Ayan. So today, we want you to know how much we appreciate you and how much we are thankful for your time and your friendship na nilalaan mo para sa amin. Salamat sa pakikinig palagi sa amin, sa akin. And salamat din sa paninirmon mo sa amin, sa pag-share mo ng mga experiences mo in life. Marami kaming natututunan doon, and yung mga paninirmon mo, na-feel namin na para ka talagang second mom namin. So, huwag ka na rin sana magalit kapag nagpapakita kami ng concern about your health. So, ginagawa lang naman namin na because love na love ka namin and sobrang kami concern sa'yo. So, sana magustuhan mo din tong munting regalo namin na inihanda para sa birthday mo. Kahit na mapapanood mo to ng ilang linggo na yung lumipas or ilang araw nang lumipas yung birthday mo. Pero sana ma-appreciate mo pa rin tong mga inipon namin na messages from the people who loves you so much. Yun lang. Happy birthday. We love you.
Sheila, punta ka dito sa Singapore. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sheila. Enjoy your day. Rock and roll.
Hi Kapuso, Dennis Trillo po. Happy birthday sa'yo, Mami Sheila. Stay beautiful and healthy. From me and my wife, Jeneline. We love you. 안녕하세요. Park Seo Jun. Happy birthday, Sheila Emnida. Mahal kita.